Hello, Luis. Tabitha here with Beast Bay Digital out here in the East Bay. We spoke on the phone this morning, and I just wanted to shoot you this quick video of how you can improve your online presence and ultimately get you more customers. There's 3 things I want to talk to you about in this video, and that is content, backlinks, and citations. Looking at your website here, there's not much going on. I do want to say content is king in the eyes of Google. They would love it if you had at least 2,000 words on the first page, and in those 2,000 words it would clearly explain what you do and who you are. The content would contain keywords, phrases, and terms that people search up on Google. And I see that in your little description here it has the services that you provide and the service areas you have here. But when I click on these additional articles, it shows like a different city, and that kind of confused me. I thought that you had another location in Hayward, but I can see that you service Palo Alto. Another thing Google looks at is images. Now they don't look at the images, but they do look up what they're saved under, and I see this is just 2. But it could easily be changed to Able Auto Glass, Hayward, California, Upholstery Repair, Auto Glass, Hayward, California, and so on. So I go into the services here too. Each of these services can definitely have their own page with their own little 500-word description explaining what the service is. And it shows Google that you're providing really good value and that you know a lot in your trade. I'm going to show you one of your competitors, which is Auto Glass Force. You might have heard of them. But taking a look at their website, they have a good amount of just a little bit of content, some images, and it's a really nice looking website. In their footer they have just another site map, which can bring them to other parts of their website. If we check out their service pages, you can see that they have a page for each of their services and a description for that as well, providing a nice, providing value to the user or potential customer. The next thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and I'm going to take you over to this tool I use called Ahrefs. It's a tool that's about $400 a month to use. It just tells me how sites are performing, and I brought up the stats for your website, and we don't really have a lot of backlinks here, and backlinks are links from other websites that link back to your website. And I should let you know, not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to have good backlinks that link back to your website. And then we're going to look at the keywords here too, and those are the keywords that I was talking about in the content. Now you're ranking up for these words, and they're mostly of your company name, but like say Auto Upholstery Hayward, you're in the 8th position, which is at the bottom of the first page. And if we look at all these other keywords, you'll see the volume that each of these words have, and the volume is how many people search up these words each month. And when they search it up, you'll see what position you are in Google in this lane right here. And over here you see like the Auto Glass Hayward, you're in the 26th position, which is about the 3rd page. And just by working on your backlinks and upping your content, you can definitely climb the SERP, which is the search engine results page. This is your competitors' stats. They have about 251 backlinks, and they're ranking for 189 keywords. As you can see that they are going for like Auto Glass Repair Hayward, and they're in the 4th position here. So they've been working on their back end of the website for a while now. The last thing I want to talk about is citations. Now citations is your name, address, and phone number listed all over the web. If you get enough citations, you can be found on this right here called the Google Map Pack. Citations are your name, your address, and your phone number listed on different websites, such as like Yellow Pages, Facebook, bbb.com, Instagram, Twitter, just anywhere you can place that. And if you get enough, you will definitely be found on this map right here. I also saw that you have your GMB, or your Google My Business, listed here, which is a great citation. You can also optimize that too by adding more images, renaming those images correctly. You're doing such a good job with reviews, and just adding any additional information like your hours. So those are the 3 things I just wanted to inform you on how to like increase traffic online or learn how to improve your presence. Do let me know what you think of this video. If you have any additional questions, feel free to email me, call me, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I thank you for taking the time out to do so. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening, and I hope to talk to you soon. Alright, okay, bye.